Alright, hey guys. So I'm doing a much bigger canvas this time. I had some red left over from my last pour, and it didn't quite turn out how I wanted, so I decided I was going to try it on a bigger canvas because I think that was the problem. I already pre-coated it with white so that hopefully it will not spill the red all over as well. So okay. I know it's such a tiny cup, and that's the other thing that worries me. Oh, okay, but only one way to find out, right? So I'll just start sliding it. Focus camera, please. Okay, so that's what I got. That's a little closer to what I was wanting before. So let's torch it. Got such pretty cells this time. I mean, I got some really nice cells in the last one too, but this is the type of painting I was talking about with the negative space, all the white around it. Just thought it was cool. I'll just move it around a little. And then, this is going to be a bit awkward, I actually have the camera like on me this time so that I could get the whole thing. And it actually works pretty well with how I have it, but for the next part, let's see how this is going to work. I might have to hold it. Okay. So this part over here. Okay. Now that looks kind of cool. Keep the organic shapes and not make something too forced, you know? far that looks pretty awesome. Well, that is really turning out just about like what I was wanting, so yes. Alright, I think I like it this way. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty awesome. Anyways, I will return with the checkup when it's dry and put a glossy top coat on top of it, and I'll show you the final result. If you guys liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share it to any friends you think would be interested, and let me know down in the comments below if you have any ideas for me. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next checkup. Bye! Hey guys, I'm here with the final check-in. I've decided I put one coat of the glossy coat on, and I decided that I don't think I want this entirely glossy. I kind of like it the matte version. And this is the biggest pour I've done so far, and it is on a board canvas. So it doesn't have the nice effect of it pouring over the edge and, you know, the nice 3D effect, but I do think in a frame that this would look rather nice. It reminds me of like red smoke, and I think I really like it. There's some nice cells in here, and where I blew it out on the edges. I really like how it turned out. I wish there was a little bit more black, but that's okay. I actually really like where it kind of ran out of paint. It just looks like a little wispy part. And so yeah, this is my negative space pour, drag, blow method. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys want to see more, please leave a comment down below saying that you enjoyed it, and leave me some suggestions because I'd love to hear them. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!